Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to set up the parental controls. Open settings at first. Scroll down to the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls over here. Here, scroll down all the way. Here we've got some families, parental controls, and we need to tap here, set up parental controls for new child over here, another child, or here tap on your children, as you can see if you have added one. But you need to here tap set up for another one, or just set up just parental controls and install the application called Google Family Link. And what you can do with the Family Link? You can set daily screen limits, approve or block applications, restrict the web content, control purchases, set bedtime schedules, and see activity reports. Open here the application and continue with your Google account. Here we can tap don't allow for notifications, doesn't matter, and here as you can see we've got here controls. And in the top left corner we can check our child, Sam, Alex, or Sam. We can tap add child, and does your child have a Google account? They'll need an account ending in Gmail account in order to set up the supervision for them. You can tap here yes, and here add the Google, as you can see, account. For Android devices, go to Google and parental controls, and here set up parental controls. This is actually done for us because here, as you can see, we have this family link, and here we have got these controls. Here we've got Google Play app approvals and restrictions. Here, as you can see, you can edit all these things. But we have this, as you can see, we have this parental controls set up. But how to actually switch to this child? How to switch to the person that we have here? You need to log into the Google account that is supervised. And as you can see here in the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, you can see these accounts, and these are, for example, for Alex. Here we've got Alex, our account, and log into this account on your device. As you can see, I don't have the Gmail address. We need to tap to add, then log in, and everything should be actually fine. You need to have the separate device, like for example the second device, to manage this tablet, but that's actually it. Goodbye.